Good morning, comrades, and welcome back to the Nürburgring. And today we have something special for you. You probably all definitely should know this car by now after having it seen for 4 years by now on my channel. Hello, Robert. Welcome back.
Hi, guys.
I love the active start so much more than of a 720, for example. That's so much more aggressive. Well, since you guys all enjoyed the POV video with the Pista, I guess let's do it again. So that's for you.
Thank you.
Recently you've done 1,000 laps with this car already, huh?
Yeah, I think I'm up to about 1,010 now. I did about 10 laps after the after that video, but yeah, it's been a lot of fun. I mean, I'm surprised because I don't usually keep cars around this long. And I just did a lap with it this morning, and I was like, well, you know what, the chassis just feels so good. It's just amazing. Me and Tim were talking about it earlier as well, that even though the car is 4 years old, it still feels like it's relevant.
Yeah.
You know, it still feels like it's a current car that, you know, could compete with other cars.
Yeah, it's always a pleasure to go out with. It's like an old friend that you meet. And
yeah, it really is. It's very familiar. It's something that we've been running for 4 years now, over 1,000 laps. You and I have done countless laps together in it.
Yep.
There's all kinds of videos in your YouTube channel with you and me in the car, and you know, just having fun, just having a good time, enjoying the track,
enjoying the roof scoop.
Yeah, the roof scoop sounds cool, huh? Yes, I figure we'll just go have a little bit of fun.
Yeah.
Enjoy the track on what's been a relatively quiet Friday.
Yep.
fun car to be in, huh?
Very much so. I was trying to have a quick nap. But most importantly, just closing your eyes and enjoying the motor sounds, the tires, looking for grip. It's great. And the roof scoop, of course, the roof scoop.
It's like a lullaby.
Yep, it is. It was a bit of a rough ride, but
yeah, that's what I like about it though. It's got a stiffer suspension.
yeah.
So it does have a bit of a stiffer suspension. It's got, but that's what gives you a lot of feedback.
Yeah, no, it's definitely great. Oh, is this where the drive-thru is?
I guess so. I was looking at them all day. It didn't seem like there was too much going on, but it looks like the drive-thru today.
Yeah.
I'd take a burger.
Yeah, maybe.
Some nuggets.
They might do pancakes tomorrow, so
Oh yeah?
very much looking forward to that.
They told you that?
Well, they said today no breakfast, but tomorrow maybe.
Wow, that's exciting, huh?
Definitely. So hopefully tomorrow pancake vlog.
It's basically just be one food shot. He's gonna go on for 15 minutes about pancakes.
Well, definitely. I'm probably gonna order, and while they're making it, I'm gonna do a lap, and then.
Do you know how many thumbs down this video is gonna get for no food shot?
One. Well, thanks for the lap. I enjoyed it a lot.
Anytime.
And looking forward to the next one.
Yeah, I think we should do it more regularly.
Yep.